This is the WARSUN 1200 lumen EDC zoomable flashlight. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual. They give you the charging cable. It is USB to USB-C, as you see right there, and you get the flashlight. There's a side light and a front light. It's zoomable, like I said before, and also it's magnetic. So that's nice as well. Now this has a whole bunch of different modes. I'm going to show that to you in a bit. Battery in this is 3,000 milliamp hours and can run for up to 12 hours. It weighs only 5 ounces, and it also has a battery indicator in it as well. Let's start with the real easy stuff, charging as a power bank. So here's my phone. I'm going to borrow this cable that it came with because my phone is USB-C. I'll plug that in. And on the back, the magnetic part twists off. I just hit the button by accident on it. We'll put that there. So now you have the USB-C port to charge and a standard USB-A port, and I can go ahead and plug this cable in. And there we go. This one's real easy to operate. There are 2 buttons. One for the flashlight and the other for the side light on it. And your battery meter is right there. So we could press it, it turns on, it's at 66%. The light is on. Okay, press again. Medium. Again, low. Then you have a strobe. And then you have S.O.S. Okay, so that just kind of does its thing. Press again, turns off. Side light, you press the other button, and you get kind of a warm white, and high, and low, and in red, and red flash. So again, the main light, you get your high, medium, low, strobe, S.O.S, and the side light is warm white, and you get that high, low, red, or red flash. Let's test it out. Okay, flashlight. Here's high. Not bad at all. You can see the beam there, but remember this is zoomable, so you can zoom in on just a spot little area like that, and it's kind of even washing out in the camera, so it gets nice and bright there, or widen it out like that. So again, that was high. Here's your medium and your low strobe and the S.O.S. And now switching to the side light, now you get light. It's there. Let me just cover it. See? Definitely you can see. It's definitely not as bright, but certainly can work. On low, you still get enough light, and of course that'll say battery power as well. Red and red flash. So again, flashlight, which is zoomable. You have your high, your medium, your low, strobe, and S.O.S. And the side light, high, low, red, and red flash. Now they call this an EDC, or everyday carry flashlight, and yeah, it's just kind of a nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small, puts out some pretty good light. The side light is a nice touch for what it's worth. Definitely would be great to keep in the car, okay, because we all know that if your car battery is dead, you have to charge your phone to eliminate all other options of survival. So you have that option there as well. And I do like the magnet, so if you actually know how to fix your car, it'll stick to the hood, and that's a really nice handy feature there as well. So once again, this was the WARSUN 1200 lumen EDC zoomable flashlight. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.